This is EY English Broadcast. EY English Broadcast presents Diction Class.
It's time to speak, it's time to speak right. Speak it now. It's time to read, it's time to read right. It's time for Diction Class. Come on now. Come on, lad. Come on, lads. Speak right. Wherever you are, everywhere you go. Speak right. Speak right. Africa.
When we talk about words that have to do with tenses, we think about actions. You need to know when an action took place. Do you know what part of speech is all about actions? It's verbs. Watch the following video and learn how to use some difficult verbs correctly.
Year 3, Term 1, Lesson 16. Tenses. Subject-verb agreement. Review. In writing and speaking, the subject, that is, the doer of the action, must agree in number with the verb. Singular subjects take singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs. Now listen for the correct sentences. The cups was left on the table. Wrong. The cups is plural, so the verb must be plural. The cups were left on the table. Ali sang in the choir. Ali is singular, so the verb must be singular. Remember, singular verbs take an S. Ali sings in the choir. The teachers agrees to do it. Wrong. Plural subjects take plural verbs. The teachers, plural. The verb must be plural. Plural verbs do not take an S. The teachers agree to do it. Bola dance well. Bola is singular. Will the verb be singular or plural? Very good. The verb must be singular. Singular verbs take an S. Bola dances well. Goats eats grass. Goats is plural. The verb must be plural. Plural verbs do not take an S. Goats eat grass. In writing and speaking, the subject, that is, the doer of the action, must agree in number with the verb. Singular subjects take singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs.
Speak right, Africa.
Singular subjects take singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs.
Speak right, Africa.